In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Meta AI on WhatsApp. If you've recently opened WhatsApp and noticed a new Meta AI button, or a special Meta AI chat showing up in your Conversations tab, you're not alone. This feature has been rolled out to many users by default, and it can feel a bit intrusive if you weren't expecting it. The good news is that while you can't completely uninstall Meta AI from WhatsApp, you can hide it, minimize how often it appears, and turn off some related features so it doesn't get in your way. First, open WhatsApp on your phone and make sure you're on the Main Chats tab, where all your conversations are listed. At the top of the screen, you'll probably see a search bar, and inside or next to that bar, there may be a Meta AI icon or a prompt inviting you to ask Meta AI. If this is what's bothering you, the first thing to look for is an option to hide it. Tap inside the search bar as if you were going to search for a chat. When you do this, you may see a small settings or three-dot menu icon linked to the Meta AI prompt. Tap that and look for options like Hide, Remove from Search, or Don't Show Again. If that option is available on your version of WhatsApp, confirm your choice, and the Meta AI shortcut in the search bar should disappear from view. Next, check if you have a dedicated Meta AI chat pinned at the top of your conversations list. This usually appears like a regular chat, but with the Meta AI logo. Press and hold on that chat until a menu appears. From there, choose options like Clear Chat, Archive, or Delete Chat. Archiving is safer if you just want it out of sight, because if WhatsApp re-enables it later, it may come back automatically. Deleting or clearing it removes the conversation history and gets it off your main screen. Now, let's reduce how often Meta AI pops up while you're using the app. Go to your WhatsApp settings, then open the chat section. Look for any toggles or options related to AI features, search suggestions, or smart replies. If you see anything referencing Meta AI or AI-powered suggestions, turn those options off. This won't remove the AI from WhatsApp entirely, but it can limit when it appears or tries to help. Finally, keep in mind that WhatsApp is updated frequently. If you don't see the exact options I've described, it might be due to your region or app version. It's a good idea to check the App Store for updates and revisit your settings from time to time, because Meta may add clearer controls to disable or hide Meta AI in future releases.